In this module, you will learn about third division of road signs, that is, guide signs. Guide signs. These are the signs that provide the direction. They include information about route numbers, street names, and destinations. These signs help motorists to find the destinations, avoid confusion, provide predictable information, adopt directional changes in advance. Different colors are used in the background of these signs. They are blue. These are used on national routes and include the Emirates route emblem. Green. These are used on major routes inside city limits. White. These show local points, roads, or destinations. Brown. These provide additional information, including symbols, to describe the destination. Examples of emblems used on guide signs are Emirates route emblem. The emblem of a falcon with letter E and 2 or 3-digit number is used on Emirates routes. It is used to point the road that connects with other Emirates. Fujairah route emblem. The emblem of a fort with letter F and 2 or 3-digit numbers are used within the city of Fujairah. It is used to identify an intra-city network of roads and streets. There are different types of guide signs. Commonly used signs are trailblazing guide signs, advance guide signs, exit direction signs, other important signs. Let's see the trailblazing guide signs. Trailblazing guide signs are route-finding signs. They have recognizable symbols or number on them which guide road users that they are on correct road to reach their required destination. There are 6 types of commonly used trailblazing guide signs. They are airport sign. The sign with a picture of an aeroplane directs the motorists to the airport. City center sign. The sign with a picture of black circle with a dot guides the motorists to the central hub of the city. Emirates route sign. The sign with an emblem of falcon will link to routes that connect with other Emirates. Fujairah route sign. The sign with an emblem of fort with 2-digit number guide for the Fujairah internal roads. Freeway sign. This sign with a picture of freeway indicates the direction of freeway. Tourist destination sign. The brown background sign are commonly used for the tourists' destinations and for informing about other specific landmarks. Now you will learn about the advance guide signs. These are advanced guide signs, as they include the route emblems, trailblazing symbols, and directional information. Motorists must check the information on advanced guide signs and position their vehicle according to their required destination. Now you will learn about the exit direction signs. Exit direction signs guide motorists on the proper lane to take prior to exit. The white exit panel with black arrow shows that particular lane is dropping and moving away from main carriageway. The white arrow shows that the lane will lead you to the next exit. The black exit arrows show that both lanes are exiting from the main carriageway. Now you will learn about other important signs. Other important signs are used to provide a variety of information to the motorists on the roadway. No through road. This sign indicates that the road comes to an end ahead. You must search for an alternate route to exit. Priority over vehicle from opposite direction. This sign is giving information to the motorists that they have priority over the vehicle from the opposite direction that is diverted to your path. Parking. The sign with alphabet P represents parking. This shows the availability of parking lot. Hospital. The sign with alphabet H represents hospital. Countdown markers. Countdown markers are used with other signs to indicate their approaching distance. Each bar represents 100 meters. They are commonly used with fuel stations, roundabouts, parking, and hospital signs. No turning for lorries. This sign prohibits trucks or lorries from turning. This sign is normally attached with a U-turn sign, which means that lorries are not allowed to make a U-turn. Supplementary information signs. This sign informs the motorists that waiting is not allowed in the area. They can stop for pick and drop only. Parking for CD cars only. This sign illustrates that the parking is only available for country diplomats. This sign can be found near consulate or embassy areas. Diversion of traffic route. This sign indicates about the diversion of traffic route. It is a temporary sign and commonly found at construction zones. Other supplementary signs. These supplementary signs are separately attached with other signs. They provide clear information to the motorists about the distance or specific place. Reflective marker posts indicating edge of carriageway. These reflective marker signs alert motorists about the edge of the carriageway. It is commonly found on curves, bends, and diversions. Lane use signals. Lane use signals indicate lanes where you can and cannot drive. These signals are kept up above the lane to indicate the use of that particular lane. It can be commonly found at tunnels and basement parking. Lane ahead open. A green arrow signal indicates the lane is open and motorists are permitted to drive in that lane. Lane ahead closed. A red X signal indicates the lane is closed and motorists are not permitted to drive in that lane. Reduce speed now. This sign is also used with other signs to inform you about the physical hazards ahead, so motorists must reduce speed and be careful. Road clear. This sign informs the motorist that the road is clear ahead and they can continue with the speed limit posted on the road. It is usually used after the completion of roadworks or the removal of obstructions. Do not enter junction. This information sign restricts the road users from entering the junction until the exit is clear from all the directions, including tram. This sign can be found in the tram area. Penalty for red light. This information sign brings the attention of motorists about violation of red light, causing accident or tram interruption, which can cause a fine up to AED 30,000 and driving license impound. Keep off tramway. This information sign brings the attention to pedestrians that always keep away from the tramway. They should always use the designated area for crossing the tram track to avoid fines, which is AED 1000. Variable message sign, VMS. Variable message signs, commonly known as VMS, are used to assist the motorists to know about different road conditions ahead, such as choice of lanes, road opening times, weather condition, heavy traffic, road accidents, or construction works. If the VMS displays the speed limit, that speed takes priority over the speed limit posted on that specific road for that particular time. Salik. Salik is an Arabic word which means open or clear. This is Dubai's electronic toll collection road system. Dubai has introduced this as part of traffic management system, allowing vehicles to move freely through the tolling point at highway speeds. In Dubai, Salik gates are located at different locations to ease the flow of traffic. Each time motorists pass through the tolling point, a specific amount will be deducted from their prepaid Salik account using advanced radio frequency identification technology, RFID. All the motor vehicles passing through the Salik tolling point must have the Salik tag with valid registered account and sufficient balance, otherwise it will be considered as a violation and can incur fines.